Once there was a conflict between Sri Brahma Ji and Sri Vishnu Ji. Brahma Ji said, "I am the creator of the universe." To which Vishnu Ji replied, "But you were born out of me, you are my son. You were born from my belly, you are my son." This conflict turned into a war. In order to settle this, their father, the Kal-faced Brahma, planted a pillar between the two. It was a towering erection, a radiant pillar, really high. Both of them could not find any end to the pillar. This brought the war to an end and led to the searching of the answer about the length and breadth of the pillar. In the end, they say he made the form of Shiv. It is an oath that Kal has taken that he will never reveal his true form to anyone. This is the reason why sometimes he takes the form of Brahma, sometimes that of Vishnu, sometimes that of Shiv. So there he appeared in the form of Shivji and said, "Sons, you have forgotten yourselves and the departments that you have gotten from me for creation and nurturing. They are a result of your penance." Similarly, Rudra and Maheshwar also received separate departments from me. Let me show you in Vidveshwar Samhita, in this same concise Shiv Puran published by Gita Press Gorakhpur, which we are reading, and I have shown you before. Hanuman Prasad Poddar is its editor. Now we will read the Vidveshwar Samhita. We'll show you a glimpse of page number 24. This was a radiant pillar that Lord Kal had put between Brahma Ji and Vishnu Ji, and then he himself appeared. On page 25, we will read, Brahma and Vishnu asked, "Lord, what are the characteristics of creation, etc. among 5 works? Please impart this knowledge to us both." Lord Shiva, who is actually the devil-faced Brahma, Sadashiv, their father, said, "To understand my duties, deep thinking is needed, but I still graciously would tell you about it." Brahma and Achyut, Vishnu, creation, regulation and destruction, death and mercy. These are my 5 duties relating to the world, which are my regular tasks. Now page 26, we read on page 25, now we move to 26. Sons, you both had performed penance which impressed me. Sadashiv, Kal-faced Brahma, is telling Brahma and Vishnu, you had performed religious penance which impressed me, and as a result, you have received the task of creation and nurturing from me. You have received 2 departments. You both like them dearly. The one similar to my great form. Here, Kal is standing in the guise of Shiv. The one similar to my great form, Rudra and Maheshwar, received 2 distinct tasks too. This is a misprint, tasks of disappearance and destruction. Here, look. These 2 are Brahma and Vishnu. Sons, you have received 2 departments, that of creation and regulation from me, and similarly, the one who has a form like me, because he was standing in the guise of Shiva, Rudra and Maheshwar, they have received other major tasks of destruction and disappearance. This makes a total of 4. Now Shiva talks of the 5th. Look further. This is quite clear that it is devil, the Brahmakshar Purush speaking, and from here we were reading page number 26 with Veshwar Samhita. Take a look. I some time before had shared the knowledge of my spirit form, which is known in the form of Omkar. It is a benedictory chant. At first, the Omkar or Om was uttered from my mouth, and it helps in the realization of my existence. Omkar is the word, and I am the speaker. It is the chant of my form. Chanting Omkar regularly is a regular remembrance of me, the Akar from my north mouth, Ukar from the west mouth, Makar from the southern, and the dot, Bindu from the eastern, and the origin of the predominant Nad from the central part of the mouth. The 5 alphabets, being the 5 parts, have together formed the Omkar. These parts mingled together to create a new greatness in form of the word Omkar. Aha. In Gita Ji chapter number 8 verse 13, the one imparting the knowledge in Gita is the Brahmakshar Purush, who had possessed the body of Sri Krishna and saying Om iti ekaksharam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita chapter 8 verse 13 states, the one who imparts the knowledge of Gita Ji is Brahma, he is Kshar Purush. He is speaking while possessing the body of Sri Krishna. It can be said that he is speaking from the body of his son Vishnu, and he is saying Om iti ekaksharam Brahma vyavharam mam anusamran ya prayati tajam deham sahayati paramam gatim. Mam Brahm means of me Brahm. There is only one word Om, nothing else. And by chanting this, one can remember me, ya prayati tajam deham sahayati paramam gatim. And who remembers him while leaving the body, which means on one's deathbed also remembers chanting the holy name Sahayati Paramam Gatim. By chanting my name, that is Om, the benefit that one receives is Param Gati,